Hey everybody. Hi, it's Elizabeth and it is getting to be flu season. I have not been feeling that great lately and I know I'm just off, so I'm going to make up some elderberry syrup and going to share my little recipe that I use with you and the things that where I get some of my products from. I've got, oh gosh, there's quite a glare here, sorry. I get my elderberries. They're organic elderberries. I got these ones from the bulk herb store. They have a website and they're really, it's like a family-owned business, but they're really sweet, very, very fast shipping and good products. They're in Tennessee, I believe. But them and also Mountain Rose Herb. That's the other place I get mine. But this recipe is 2/3 cup of dried elderberries to 3.5 cups of water. And then you add the ginger root. And these all have really good properties. This one has an anti-nausea type property, but it also helps with stomach aches and digestive circulatory disorders and stuff like that. So it just really gives it a sweeter taste, I think, than just the plain elderberry syrup. But anyways, back to the recipe. 2 tablespoons of this, a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a half teaspoon of cloves, and then a cup of honey. So what I'll do is I'll boil this now and then reduce it down. I'll put the lid on and simmer it for about 45 minutes till it's about halfway done. Then we'll add the honey and it'll be ready. We'll strain it, and you can take 1 tablespoon a day. I've done it for the last 2.5, 3 years and have not had the flu, have not gotten sick. I've been out. I hadn't made any over the summer, and wouldn't you know, I got I don't know, I just don't feel right. So I'm going to take this and make it up, and I'll be feeling much better soon. So just wanted to share that. You don't have to get Tamiflu and the flu shots and all that kind of stuff. You can use what God gave us. Have a blessed day. Bye.